Standard 59 is adding and subtracting polynomials. We just finished studying about exponents, and all of the rules were about monomials. Monomials mean one term. Today we are going to talk about other polynomials. Poly means many, so this means many terms. Bi means two, like bicycle. So this is binomial, so this is two terms. And then tri means three, so that is three terms. In order to add polynomials together, we're going to look for the like terms and add them together. So, example 1. We're going to add these two polynomials together. And we know it's an addition problem because there's a plus sign right there. And we're going to look for the like terms. So, I see an x squared and another x squared. So 2 plus negative 4 is negative 2x squared. Then I'm going to look for, let's see if I can change the color on my highlighter. There we go. Okay, I'm going to look for the x terms. So I have 5 and 6. So adding those together, I'm going to get 11x. And then, let's see, then I have the negative 7 and the positive 3. And together, that will give us negative 4. So we're just looking for like terms and adding them together. Some people prefer to write the problems horizontally like we just did. And other people like to add the terms vertically, like we did with the elimination problems. And then they just add the terms all stacked up. Either way, you should get the same answer. So let's try one with a vertical look. So here we are with two polynomials. We want to add them together because we see the plus sign in between them. And we're going to try writing them vertically. So I'm going to start with my highest degree term. So I have y to the third power and 2y to the third power. So I'm going to write y to the third and 2y to the third vertically. Then I'm going to look for y squareds. So I have no y squareds in the first one, so I'm going to put 0y squared. And then 4y squared on the second one, and I'm going to put that right underneath. The next term I see are y. So I have 3y, and in the other polynomial I have negative 4y. I'm going to stack them. And the final one are just your coefficients, nothing special, negative 5 and 8. So I stack those up. Now I'm going to add these two together. 1y to the third plus 2y to the third is 3y to the third. 0 plus 4 is 4y squared. 3y minus 4y is negative 1y, so I'm going to write negative y. And negative 5 plus 8 is 3. It's just another way to look at it. So here's my answer. You can choose to write these problems vertically if you want, if you like the visual of the like terms stacked up, or you can write them horizontally if you don't want that extra writing. I personally prefer the horizontal writing, but you're more than welcome to write them vertically if you'd like. Subtraction works the same as addition. We're going to turn them into addition problems, just like we did for elimination when we changed the sign on the second polynomial. And then we're going to add them just like we did in the first two examples. So let's try one. We know this is a subtraction problem because of the minus sign in the middle. It's really important to look and see what sign is between the two polynomials. Alright, so with subtraction, we are going to change the sign of all of the terms only in the second polynomial. So instead of writing positive 4x, I'm going to write negative 4x. Instead of writing negative 5, I'm going to write positive 5. Instead of writing positive 3x squared, I'm going to write negative 3x squared. and everything in the first polynomial stays the same. Now, this is a problem we're going to treat just like the first two examples of addition. We're going to look for like terms. I see x squareds. I'm going to add them together. 2 plus negative 3 is negative 1. So I'm going to write negative x squared. I'll look for another like term. I see negative 2x and negative 4x. Those are both x's. So together that makes negative 6x. And then I see a 3 and I see a 5. Together that makes 8. So our answer is negative x squared minus 6x plus 8. For our fourth example, I'm going to try another vertical problem. But again, here we go. For subtraction, we are going to change the signs on every term in this second polynomial. And I'm going to bring down all of the terms in the first polynomial exactly how they're originally written. Now I'm going to look to stack them. So let's look for our highest degree. We have to the third power. So I'm going to write that one first, 4p to the third power. I see no other third powers. Alright, in the first polynomial I see no second powers, but I do see a second power right here, negative 3p squared. Alright, now I see a 7p and a 9p, so I will stack those up, 7p plus 9p. And then I see negative 8 and negative 2, so I will put those there also. And then we're adding. So let's add the stacked like terms. So you will get 4p to the third power minus 3p to the second power plus 16p minus 10. And that's your answer. Now you try to on your own. You can write them vertically or horizontally. Don't forget to change the signs for the subtraction problem. Write down any questions that you have, and we'll see you in class tomorrow.